Abusia me wakwa aba na sese ne kam yakoye se life bo ene ehusese akoye ade a ehia ema ene ema papa eye titiribu ene ema ye body sedia ewose eluki na sese a ne enim sese no encheye ana celebrities bi ni mo waga no mo hase e trend ye over big butts, flattummy, ninth shape and ye bra ema nana make bon eba bontin eba gini dey too much ane body need dey sometimes na ye na ehia maintenance I say car and so no comment ni dey na ni kunu pedia Sarah and openo na sister Afia so akoye obi a ono so agidi mpa organ mem hwase a ofanyum tumu ana edigi ne fans ani ga na phone na ani ono so edinchirimu bi ede aba fi say hwese ne current pictures and in the old pictures kame akoye say there was a big difference in it nani nane say sister Afia old sister Afia na nijemu say tie ni say no kame akoye say she's looking sexy the shape no abem wenya flat tummy kakra odi chiremu ede aba jebeko ni akuti ansa na number no 054 8302985 University Foundation freno na woni no etwetwoko
Afia oba fufuro no yehu na said o body ne etie na oso kakra esen say wa ulusi weight ade na oye ma ulusi weight
I'm just eating good. I'm just eating good and minding my business. I think that's what I'm actually doing.
But your sister Afia we fu sesi a ene oba fufuro no said we futi a as we fu aye flat.
Yeah, I did tummy contour.
Also why be?
There be me tummy contour.
I know you're there.
It's just contouring your tummy.
Tummy contour.
Yeah, it's called body freeze. I mean freeze, body freeze. I mean fat freezing.
Body freeze. Auntie, you train fat in the
No, it's fat freezing basically.
Mentia say fat freezing is saying.
Electronics we on the 2 a.m. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
As I say iron be near the 2
yeah, but I say grab we
Oh, okay.
Actually, yes, I did that for like 3 months.
Oh yes, 3 months.
Yes.
I will Ghana and Abroche.
No, me too quiet on my but yeah, sometimes we it's me caught na saba. So this time that I did it for that long period.
It would not broach 3 months.
Me not broach 3 months. It was part of it. And I'm just started body contouring and then.
Okay, but we were outside Ghana.
No, me be normal places. Call normal places.
Okay, and the wedding.
Yeah, and sometimes the wedding.
Now, is it painful?
Oh no, that one it's just like massage. It's not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now, why do you have to do that? I didn't say.
Yeah. So show home. I saw bad dear. Obi and show home. One is so show home. Say me, I don't have a problem with anybody touching anything because I feel like right now, no. One show home. A bad I think first maybe an SCC in but right now, your generation, person
okay, so Sister Afia, we tummy contour because now we're full song. They offer a body freeze, I said.
No, fat freezing.
Fat freezing. Now,
my breast has always been. Nothing has touched. I've not touched anywhere of my body from my up here. I mean, it's the most natural thing I have. It's too big, It's too big. Maybe a dachi, Mitra, but right now it's too big for me.
Dachi will be trying for
me. Worry.
Do you get any pain?
No, I don't have any pains. I just feel like sometimes it doesn't complement my body. As a woman, there sometimes it's sanity. But sanity.
But it's one part of your body that attracts people. Go for pepper.
But if I'm a warrior, it's not gonna look the same. So my bonfire say actually sticks and I stay the same because the people become what they are. I'm sorry.
Your sexiness, has it helped you as an artist in any way?
My sexiness, not really. I feel like I'm just being myself. I mean, shed and share outside in the
But what do you tell
I've been body shamed ever since I was in this. I came in this industry. I mean, ever since I entered. I mean, the body shaming has started from 2015 and even till now. I feel like say around that time, I was trying to encourage myself to make myself look good. I say be a person me can't encourage my me home so that I can not really pay attention to those because me started in the body shaming used to get to me pa. No more to me connect to me yeah, but now I've grown past it.
But nufoɔ ni ɛto a nyankopɔn de adom wi a wosi nkrɔfoɔ de body shame you nkrɔfoɔ nso kɔ doctor akɔtua sika so ɔmo nye bi mo it had it and how
obia ni de pay me de mean to me ebi ade almost say de pay nya de nya so pay no say they very true. I think say as a woman when you are growing some things about you might not like it because one nobody sees it. I mean, even your spouse cry, you don't allow them to see some important stuff about you. Intermediate, me feel say,
enti we are. O feel say unufu no betwa bi afio.
And there, I mean, me how my body very reacted to pregnancy. Yeah, than I was.
O pese nyeketwa.
But try.
But and also na me man bill.
No, I'm tired. I've been carrying this for how many years?
I don't know if I can do anything to stop you from share messages uncle for the Eba. Abeku Sparrow said the whole West Africa there's no any endowed female musician that looks better than Sister Afia. And I think this is a compliment.
Thank you.
It's a compliment. Yeah. Come on, twetwe twagu ewo Facebook so ye nuaba Sister Afia and twetwe nkomo kwan a ofa so edi rural industry nim waka na sade na ebinum ede ne body shape esre no nanso nyankopon adom watintim wabomoden akoye nafu de efre no tummy contour ana se fat freeze ono ne de ne yen wo panengu mu yenye waye tummy contour fat freeze besa 3 months eno na ma nafu no atwe na ne nufu no de onye ne hwe nyame abode sa na nyankopon ebo no o se ne nufu no se owuwi a esoma no ya na odware na ohu se de tie na onyaaya na nka enye kese sa ebinum anya omompe ebinu so pe omonya waka se de obewura anyontuo nim osifa apenyom no ene de ono start se wo ye nyom ti wa bia studio won the bedroom Ghana 24 mema ne bebre enim aba ne dem aba behwe ene edu ya ye koje enkrato ye fa sedama MTN so ma so emu na ye de enkomotwetwe when your friend bless the mic oba obedi ka to nyom otonyum wi na ye busa won nsem fa wa wonyom no a wato no ho Sister Afia the last enuma de ba ya me no twetwe nkomo
me pacho ma me clarify the last one Mr. I did not mean my bedroom. I was trying to say my house.
Your house?
Yes.
And I'll come
and a bedroom but because I used to have my studio in my bedroom before I moved into a bedroom nearby Mr.
Sister what's the sound of cry waka I didn't but young
Estefia ana ekotene ne ede epaye na ha ana ne medemo ebisi Attention TV sumi. Like, comment and also share. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Follow on Facebook. Attention.